Your voiceover studio at home would be where you'd record the lion's share of your recordings. Once you get established, you could well be regularly invited to city centre recording studios, but these visits, where you'd often physically meet clients, which is great, press the flesh and everything, will often be for high-value jobs like TV commercial voiceovers, so I'm sure you won't complain about that.
It's important to have a recording facility in your home because it will just give you so much more flexibility to record jobs without even leaving your front door. You can even do recordings in your pajamas if you wanted to. That's the great thing about voice work. Nobody can see you. You could record, edit, and send files within minutes of being sent jobs by email, or respond lightning fast to audition posts to beat the competition applying for the voice job.
Also, having your own home recording studio means that you won't have to waste cash hiring anywhere else or waste time traveling to other studios. Also, when you start working for companies around the world in different time zones, you may find that the commercial studios in your town or city will be closed anyway. So you can just pop down to your home studio early in the morning, late at night when your client's in working hours, and earn some more income.
In our training courses, we go into a lot of detail about setting up a successful home studio. But basically, you need an area that is quiet and also has minimal hard surfaces to absorb sound so you don't get reverberation or echo picked up by your microphone. Many people start by setting up in a large walk-in cupboard or closet.
Everybody thinks about the microphone when voiceovers are mentioned, and when starting out, the Rode NT1A has been a popular budget choice for years. Some great bargains with the whole kit. Or if you have a bit more cash, the AT2020 is a very robust microphone, lovely bass response, and a crisp high end as well. Now, if you have issues with extraneous noise in your recording area, we'd suggest a shotgun mic. These microphones are used in film and TV work. They're very directional, so they'll only pick up your voice when you speak at the very end of it, not at the side. So something like the Sennheiser MKE600, or if you want to splash out, MKH416 is excellent, gives great quality recordings.
For a lot of voice work, the recordings sound nice and rich when you're close to the microphone. This is called the proximity effect. But unfortunately, the closer you are, the more likely you are to create a nasty plosive sound, particularly on hard syllables, like on the letter P. So a pop filter is essential for every voiceover. A metal mesh, like this one, is a great type to choose as it's easily washable and you can see through it.
You'll, of course, need a computer. A quiet, solid-state laptop would be ideal. You don't want clicking hard drives and pesky cooling fans ruining your recording so close to the microphone. Now, if you have a USB microphone, it will plug directly into a laptop or your computer. But for quality voiceover work, certainly for high-end work, forget USB microphones. You'll need a large capsule analog microphone with what's called an XLR socket on it. Here are the two sockets on screen now. XLR socket is the high-end stuff. You'll be looking for a quality-sensitive condenser microphone like the AKG P420 if you're on a budget, or if you can afford it, the Neumann TLM 103. These will need a USB interface box with phantom power from the computer, and this means that the microphone has power to actually make it work. You can't plug the microphone directly into the computer.
But what software is best for voiceover work to record and edit your recordings? We'll look at the options in the next video. Click the link if you'd like to download this video's PDF checklist.
Hey, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below or watch the video once more, just in case there's something you've missed. Now over to my left, you can continue watching. Just click the video you'd like to watch next. And please click the thumbs up icon to let me know if you've enjoyed this video and found it informative. And if you've not done so already, remember to subscribe and click that bell icon so you don't miss any of my new videos.